Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Airtable for invoice and payment tracking, your full 2025 guide. Step 1 is setting up your base. On your Airtable dashboard, click on Add a Base, then Start from Scratch. Name it something like Invoice Tracking. This is our foundation where we'll store and organize all our data. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table, Invoices. Click on the plus icon next to Tables and name your new table. This is where we'll record all of our invoices. Next up, we're adding fields. The first one will be invoice number. Click on Add Field and choose Number as the field type. We do this because each invoice should have a unique identifying number. The next field is Client Name. Choose Single Line Text as the field type. This helps us because it allows us to easily identify who the invoice is for. Let's also add Amount Due and Payment Status. For amount due, choose currency as the field type. For payment status, choose single select and add options such as paid, unpaid, and overdue. The reason we do this is so we can quickly glance at the status of each invoice. Now, let's add a payments table. The process is similar. The fields can be payment ID, client name, payment amount, and linked invoice. For linked invoice, choose Link to another record and select the Invoices table. This helps us because it connects our payments to the corresponding invoices. Once you've filled your tables with data, you can use Airtable's sorting and filtering options to manage and analyze your information. This is what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is acting as your personal database, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. And that's it. You've now got a powerful invoice and payment tracking system set up in Airtable. Remember, the beauty of Airtable is in its customizability. Feel free to add more fields or tables that suit your specific needs. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.